In part 1 of this video, we developed a way of thinking about cup snake length that allowed us to predict the length of a cup snake consisting of many, many cups. But how good was this thinking? How accurate were our predictions? Let's find out. To do so, we're going to need more than 2 cups. A lot more than 2 cups. These piles of cups will allow us to make and measure a cup snake as it grows. How does the way that the length changes as cups are added to the measured cup snake compare to the way that our predicted lengths change? Pause this video and decide to what degree this table of lengths and the way that they change validates our earlier thinking. If you're in a group, share your thoughts. The predicted length increases by a constant amount, 50 centimeters for every 100 cups. In contrast, the measured length increases by around 48 centimeters per 100 cups. So, the measured cup snake seems to grow slightly slower than predicted, and in a fashion which is not so exact, but its growth does seem to be roughly constant. This means that our idea that each cup, when added, adds approximately the same amount to the length of the cup snake seems to be a valid one. This amount that is added looks to be something like 48 centimeters per 100 cups, or 0.48 centimeters per cup. This can be called the growth rate of the cup snake. Knowing this, we can revisit our rule that predicts cup snake length. The 50 centimeters per 100 cups came from our lip and a bit length, which we thought was 0.5 centimeters. Based on what we have learned from the cup snake we measured, a better lip and a bit value might be 0.48 centimeters. Let's look at how this would change our predicted length. How does that look? It seems that these predicted lengths correspond much more closely with the lengths that were actually measured. There is still some random variation in the measured lengths that our rule does not predict, but even in spite of that, our rule for predicting cup snake length seems to be a remarkably good one, being within 1 centimeter of the measured lengths, even for the 500 cup snake that is nearly 250 centimeters long. Another way to look at these measured and predicted lengths is via a graph. As we see, the measured lengths fall pretty much in a line, and the graph of our predicted length is a line, but not quite the right line. With the growth rate changed to 0.48 centimeters per cup, we can see a good visual match between the measured lengths and the predicted length. Now that we can be confident that we have a good rule for predicting cup snake length, let's think about the big one in that video, the one that might have been made from 8,500 cups. Our rule predicts that a cup snake made from 8,500 of our cups would have a length of 4,087.3 centimeters, or a little over 40 meters. That is about as long as an 11-story building is high. How's that for a big cup snake? How does that compare to the snake captured in the video? Let's take another look at it, and this time see if you can tell how many people are holding up that cup snake. it seems that there is about 30 people holding up the snake. If they were each holding around a metre of snake, that would give a length of approximately 30 metres. So maybe it does not quite have 8,500 cups making it up. Still, a big snake. Surprisingly though, it was a long way from the record. Sources generally agree that a record-breaking cup snake would need to be over 175 metres long. According to our rule, how many of our cups would such a snake require? I'll leave that for you to work out.